About 8 million tons of plastic waste is added to the oceans every year, equivalent to one garbage truck of plastic being dumped into our oceans every minute. This figure is predicted to quadruple by 2050 if no action is taken, and plastic pollution is already having an increasingly devastating impact on our marine ecosystem. But how do we clean the plastic that is already in the ocean? And how can we inform and educate people to prevent the problem from occurring in the first place? Cleaning the ocean of plastics is a mammoth task, but part of the answer may lie in the innovative floating device known as the Seabin. This device collects trash floating in ports and marinas, and simultaneously collects data on the state of global waterways, guiding efforts to clean the oceans. The Seabin is also used to raise awareness and educate the public to prevent ocean pollution. In 2013, Australian-based Pete Zaglinski and Andrew Turton set out with a goal to remove waste from the ocean. A few years later, the pair stood up with Seabin with a contradictory mission: to live in a future world that didn't need their product. Water is sucked in from the surface and passes through a catch bag inside the Seabin, with a submersible water pump capable of displacing 25,000 litres per hour, plugged directly into 220-volt outlet. The water is then pumped back into the marina, leaving litter and debris trapped in the catch bag. It can catch 1.5 kilograms of floating debris per day, depending on weather and debris volumes, including microplastics up to 2 mm small. The Seabin also features an optional oil removal system. Because oil can deteriorate the ocean faster than any other substance, it must be filtered out of the water. The Seabin is capable of pushing water through an oil-water separator, which removes all oil as well as harmful detergents before releasing clean water. Since beginning their operations in Sydney, the Seabin team has filtered over 14 billion litres of Sydney harbour water, capturing over 100 tonnes of microplastics, plastic fibres and marine litter. Today, there are 400 Seabin units in 23 countries around the world, including Spain, Finland and the USA. Each one contributes to gathering vital intelligence on the ocean's pollution problem. Of course, Seabin is only one of many projects looking to clean up the world's oceans. Many scientists and individuals are working hard to remove tons of waste from our oceans every day. In the meantime, let's commit to reducing our plastic waste and working toward a zero-waste future. Together, we can create healthier oceans for the next generation of divers.